Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by shutting down and unplugging the laptop. Remove power and battery if possible, because safety prevents damage. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap to protect the SSD and motherboard. Open the access panel that corresponds to the drive bay or M2 slot. Following the manual, you don't need to remove every component. Make sure to document screw locations. This first step sets a safe, reversible foundation for swapping in the SSD. You now position the SSD into its slot. For a 2.5 unit, slide it into the bay and connect the SATA/power. For M2 NVMe, insert at an angle and press down to fasten the screw. Once the drive is secured, double-check that cables are snug and the M2 sits flush. Reattach the access cover, but don't over-torque screws yet, because you may need to reopen. This ensures the hardware connection is reliable and reduces boot issues later. You should boot into BIOS/UEFI immediately to verify the SSD appears. Set it as the boot device if intended. Then either clone your old drive or perform a clean OS install. Initialize the disk, create partitions, and enable trim for longevity. Once the system boots, run basic speed and health checks to confirm performance gains. If the SSD isn't detected, power down, reseat the drive, try a different slot or cable, and update BIOS.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.